Effortless meal prepping secrets. Meal preparations can seem daunting at first. Yet, it's an art that simplifies your weekly food rituals. Let's dive in. Imagine opening your fridge to find a week's worth of meals. Ready to eat, healthy, and perfectly portioned just for you. It starts with a plan. Selecting recipes that not only taste great but are also nutritious and easy to prepare. Next, shopping becomes a breeze. With a list tailored to your meal plan, you'll save time and avoid impulse buys. The key to success is batch cooking. Spend a few hours in the kitchen, and you'll thank yourself all week long. Storage is crucial. Invest in good quality containers that keep your meals fresh, making grab and go a real possibility. Embrace the process. Meal preparation is not just about eating healthy, it's about taking control of your time and well-being.